Is this 49 or 64? It's 49. Oh my god. It's 49. It looks like looks like 64. Where are the people? And somebody is eating for. So I have a delivery from Tifo. Post their Black Fridays. I got myself some hair. I'm just going to try it out. Alright, look, packaging is so beautiful actually. So, oh, I thought there was a note. This is a gift from them. This is a lace tint spray. This is so thoughtful. Thank you for this, Tifo. Oh wow, that's cute. Oh my god, this is so good. Ah, see that? What? I looking like this color. Come on now. I love it. I love the color. This I don't know. It's like this thing. I wanted to achieve brown. So if you do not know, my husband is an artist. He makes artworks. I've always wanted to have my own artworks, and yeah, he has given me this beautiful canvas. So let's didn't supervise me. I just have like a template of what I want. This is what I want to achieve. These pictures you're seeing here, hopefully I get it right. Hopefully. Oh my god. I need to clean. Oh shit. Oh, okay. That's another style, I guess. This is how it's looking. Oh my god. This is how it looks.
Wow.
What do you think?
They're nice, but the colors you didn't get them.
I did not get them. You did not give me blue.
No, you don't need blue.
For nude?
No.
But that's what I saw online.
You don't need blue.
And then the brown was too brown.
Yeah, it's a mixture. But they're nice. Kudos. Well done.
Thank you. It's nice. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys remember, but there used to be a pampas grass here. I don't know if you guys saw it from my other vlog. I just discovered right now that I don't know what is building this thing. Just look at it. Just look at it. You can even see it here. Like, what's all this? I've helped myself put them out, and I'm going to buy like a proper flower or a proper pampas grass. I thought that one was pampas grass, but it seems it's not pampas grass. So maybe it's just because it's too close to the wall. But I don't just know, guys. It looks weird. It looks so weird. Honestly, I don't know. Trash it. Because I do not want to use my hands to buy rubbish. This is it. I bought this thing almost 2,000 something. 2,000 something. I don't waste, so I have to treat it because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. If this thing is growing, my husband said it's termites. I don't know. So bye bye. 2.5 successfully wasted.